Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to easily connect your iPad Pro to an external display. So you will need either an adapter which allows you to connect USB Type-C to the iPad Pro and then connect a HDMI cable to the adapter, or a USB Type-C cable which goes to HDMI directly. So I will have this adapter I use personally in the description because I'm going to be using a regular HDMI cable. You can also again buy a USB-C to HDMI cable from Amazon if you would like. Okay, so how this works is you just need to connect the adapter to the charging port of the iPad Pro. Now keep in mind that you can't connect this to the Magic Keyboard USB Type-C charging port. If you do have that connected, it will not work for display output. Then you just connect the HDMI cable to the adapter, and obviously make sure the other end of the HDMI cable is connected to TV or monitor. Now once you've done this, give it a couple of seconds on your TV and you should see the signal show up. So let's see here, you can see the monitor just turned on. Just give it a couple of seconds and we saw the signal. Boom, there we go. Okay, so let's talk about what we're looking at. So if I just move, okay, move across, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, you can see the screen of my iPad is currently mirrored to the external monitor. Now if you have the M1, only M1 and newer iPad Pro, and you're running the latest iPadOS 16 or newer, you will actually get a brand new control. So by default you can see here, I'm only mirroring iPad Pro screen to the monitor. On iPadOS 16 with iPad Pro M1, you actually extends the iPad Pro screen to the external monitor. So on the external monitor, you get a completely different screen. So just keep that in mind. When you have the older iPad Pros, it mirrors. The new iPad Pros, it extends, which means a couple of things. First of all, you don't have the issue with the black borders. It will extend to the full screen of your TV or monitor. Another thing as well is you get far better multitasking. So maybe you may want to upgrade to get those extra features if you care about those. If you just care about simple mirroring, then you can do it like so. Sometimes the mirroring will actually fit to the full display of your iPad Pro. So if you're watching video, the video will display on the monitor itself, okay? So we'll go to photos. I have no photos. Lovely. So for the sake of this, I'll just go to the camera app. Just real quick, record a video. Boom. And so if I play the video, doesn't seem long enough, but typically it will actually play on the monitor itself. I'm assuming the video is not long enough to do that, but if you have a long enough video, it will actually display. Let's take a photo here. Boom. And if the photo is 16:9, it will also display on the monitor itself in full screen. You will not see it on the iPad Pro itself. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.